How to fix WhatsApp Google Drive backup problem. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on the search bar and type WhatsApp. Now once you're done, simply tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on WhatsApp Messenger. Now make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, go back to the home screen and open up settings on your device. Scroll down on notification panel and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now scroll down. Now tap on apps, go to app management and click on the search bar. Now type WhatsApp. Now tap on search and click on WhatsApp. Now tap on force stop. Now click on storage usage. Now tap on clear cache and go back to the home screen. Now open up WhatsApp again. Tap on three dots at the top right corner and click on settings. Now scroll down and tap on chats. Again scroll down and tap on chat backup. Now tap on Google account. Now select your Google account. Now wait for some time. Now scroll down and tap on continue. If you are still unable to backup, go back to the home screen, open up Drive on your account. Also make sure your account has enough storage to backup storage. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.